All right, we're starting off with 2 cans of our strawberry pie filling. Next, I'm coming in with my Philadelphia cheesecake no bake. Oh my goodness, this stuff is so delicious. You can make your own cheesecake no bake. If you can't find this in the store, it's super easy with a cream cheese, a powdered sugar, and vanilla mixture. But this stuff is addicting. I love using this for recipes, and it's gonna go so delicious with that strawberry pie filling. Strawberry cheesecake is the ultimate combo, and this dessert is just as incredible. So we're adding our scoops of no-bake cheesecake right on top of that pie filling in our crock pot. Now I did grease this crock pot, so that is very important to note. You want to grease your crock pot or else you will be in trouble later. All right, how does that look?
Oh, this looks phenomenal. I love the contrast of the colors.
It smells so good. Okay, so I used about half a container of the no-bake cheesecake. I'm bringing in my spatula and we're gonna go ahead and flatten out this entire cheesecake pie filling mixture, just like so. We want a flat surface for our next ingredient. This is the easiest crockpot treat. So quick, so easy, only 4 ingredients and everyone will love it. Oh my goodness, look at that cheesecake just melding with that pie filling. It looks so incredible.
Looks delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a little lick because we're done with this. So good.
So far, so good.
Yeah. All right, our third ingredient is our Dolly Parton's yellow cake mix. You can use whatever cake mix you like. I haven't tried Dolly Parton's yellow cake mix, but I did want yellow cake mix, so this is gonna be really good. I think it's gonna taste incredible. And we're using this whole box of cake mix. Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna use our clean hands and we are just gonna flatten out that cake mix on top of the cheesecake and pie filling. That's why we wanted everything to be flat so that this crust will bake evenly. This is gonna be kind of like a strawberry cheesecake cobbler, but it's so much easier than making a cobbler because you have that cake mix top. Okay, once this is nice and flat, we're gonna go ahead and give our hands a wash. All right, our fourth and final ingredient is our butter. And I went ahead and cut my butter into little slices, just like this. Oh my gosh, they do not want to come off. Just like this. And we're gonna place that right on top of that cake mix. This is what cooks the cake mix. You don't need to mix anything. It's all just layered in our crock pot. So easy, so delicious. You can use whatever pie filling you like. You could do a blueberry, an apple, a cherry and cheesecake would be incredible. And you know what? You could be fun with the cake mixes. You could do a lemon cake mix. You could do a vanilla cake mix. The options are honestly endless. This is a recipe I love to make around the holidays. We have Memorial Day coming up and this is gonna be incredible. Okay, so that was 1 stick. I grabbed another stick of butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter, whatever you prefer. It does not matter. I'm using salted because I do like that extra saltiness with the sweet. It just tastes so good. And we are just quickly getting these butter sticks on here because we want to get this to start cooking. Oh my goodness. I can smell the strawberry pie filling and it is making my mouth water. Okay, almost done. We're about to use this whole second stick. So 2 sticks of butter for this recipe. And if that seems like a lot, it's only 1 cup of butter, which really isn't that much. A lot of recipes call for that much butter anyways. Okay, now that we have our butter on there, we're gonna go ahead and grab our crock pot lid and we are gonna set this on high to let it cook. So excited. Okay, this smells so good. It's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn our crock pot off and let's check it out. Oh yeah, that looks so good. The cheesecake is like starting to come out. It's sizzling. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, the cake is perfectly cooked. Get that right into my bowl. I'm gonna scoop a little bit more because this looks incredible. Okay, let's put this to the side because you guys know it. Gotta do some Ready Whip. You could also do some ice cream, whatever you like. Okay, let's give it a try. It smells so good. All of my favorite things. Oh. Oh my gosh.